Welcome to SOUNDPEATS Truengine2 Quick Start Guide. Before using, please make sure your Truengine2 are charged. When you take out the earbuds for the first time, they'll automatically start pairing. Indicator on left will go out, and the right indicator will alternately flash in red and white. Turn on your phone's Bluetooth and select Truengine2 from the Bluetooth device list. The indication of pairing can be heard in both earbuds. Select the right-sized ear tip that fits your ear. Insert the earbud so the ear fin rests gently in your ear canal. Adjust the position to make sure it's securely fitted. Intuitive touch controls are located on the earbud. Double press either earbud to play pause music or answer end call. Long press the right earbud for 1.5 seconds to play the next track. Long press the left earbud for 1.5 seconds to play the previous track. Plug the Type-C cable into the charging case. The LED indicators of the charging case will indicate the charging progress. When it's fully charged, all 4 indicators will remain on. To reset your earbuds, place back both earbuds into the charging case and ensure they're in charging status. Then long press the earbuds for 10 seconds until the LED indicators on both earbuds flash in white for twice, which means reset is completed. Now you're ready to enjoy your new SOUNDPEATS Truengine2 earbuds.